What's up, guys? Welcome back to the series where I work on the Asylum. In all honesty, I haven't done much since the last episode. I kind of took a break for a while, but we're getting right back into it today, and I've got this kind of little section started. I'm going to go all the way around the square right here, and there are probably going to be rooms leading off of it, of course. It's going to have like a nice janitor's closet over here. It's going to have some offices, some other rooms, maybe a bathroom or two. It's just gonna have hallways, and then we're gonna clutter it with all the natural and usual junk. So I'm gonna start by blocking all of this out real quick, just so I can get kind of an idea of what it's gonna look like. So this is gonna be a rough block out of what it's gonna look like. These are gonna be bathrooms, the male and female bathrooms. These are going to be for the janitor's closet, and this is gonna be a little storage room right here. And then we're going to have this office building right about here. I might change this one around, and then we have another one. We might put, I don't know if I should have rather like one office for half of it and then another office on the other side, or if I should somehow split it into like 4 different offices on each cube. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna get into that once we start building it. So yeah, you guys can enjoy this time lapse. So I just got done with the outer walls of the whole asylum room right here, which I'm going to call the office for now. And I just realized that with the Archimedes plugin right here combined with Roblox's new update is absolutely insane for building. I was able to whip this building out in roughly, I think it was less than 5 minutes, which is very, very efficient and very handy. So I'm a big fan of this new update so far. So I just finished up with these 3 rooms right here. We have the female bathroom, the male bathroom, and then the storage room right here. I'm probably just gonna put like a shelf in here, some boxes, maybe a few mops and brooms and everything. Your typical janitor or supply office or room supplies, you could say. In the bathrooms, I'm just gonna have like a basic toilet, sink, and a mirror. Throw some trash on the ground, you know, all the usual stuff. I think I'm gonna get to work on the offices right now, and then we're gonna get into decorating overall the whole thing. And one thing I did realize that I did in fact forget windows inside of here, so I'm gonna go back and add those once it's all done. So I just got this part of the office building complete right here. I got the second office block, you could say, and I just got some typical door placements right here on the first office that I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit later. And I want to get your guys' opinion on whether or not you want the 4 office per block or the 2 office per block. Basically, so I just basically get rid of these dividers, whichever one, and then yeah, so let me know what you guys think of the door placements, whether or not I should have 2 offices or 4 offices, and overall the build in general. So now that a lot of the items have been added, such as the bed, the trash can, the table, all these other things, I'm going to get to work on modeling a lot of the different assets that are going to be specific to this area, such as the shelf for the janitor closet, some boxes, all sorts of things like that. You know, a desk, a chair, computer, pieces of paper, a toilet, sink, and mirror. All of the necessary things for this area. So I'm gonna get to work on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video just as much as I did, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't worry, I'll show you the finished product in the next video or live stream. See you later.